I lost my mum when I was 18. She fell down the stairs.
My dad came in and it wasn't, it kind of struck me, but it was very sad, obviously, because he'd been crying, and he told us what happened.
I didn't know how to cope and deal with it, so for that the centres helped me and my sister.
One of my brothers was born asleep and the other one died on a farm. This is my memory book for my brother, my oldest brother. So on my first page I've got a picture of him and just basically love hearts around it.
To lose one, and for my husband as well, to lose another, it was just really, yeah, hard.
The children are actually probably facing one of the most devastating things that anybody can face, and some children are facing losing, say, both parents or even one parent. So their whole lives are turned upside down, and they're coping with that. The family is coping with their grief, their finances could be affected as well. So there's all these different things going on in their lives, and they have to deal with it, and it's scary. You know, everybody is so passionate about supporting the children, and that comes across the second the families walk through the door.
I come here to kind of help me cope with losing my mama, which I was super close to. And when I came here, it was the first time in 4 years I ever laughed, smiled and cried.
I would be really upset each day, so I wanted to get more strong with that, to get better with it, so I don't get as much upset as I used to do.
It's really fun and they do really help you here, and it does make you feel a lot better.
Practically, we do all sorts of things with the children. So we have bereavement support workers who are volunteers, and then we also have staff who are experienced counsellors as well, and they can support children in more depth.
If I didn't come here, I definitely don't think I'd be emotionally, physically where I am today. I'd like to think she was proud. What has happened?
We've got parents who have come to us and said, you know, you've made our family whole again. You know, we can be a proper family and we can move on, and it's just so powerful.